Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm getting ready for the April craft video, and I'm getting my packets ready, and I thought, you know, I should do an unboxing of the doll that I'm going to be working on clothes with so that you can see it too. Just thought that would be fun. Okay, here's something you don't see me do very often. I'm actually unboxing a doll. This is Barbie Fashionista 128. I saw these and I just thought they were kind of cute. And more than that, it's an odd size as compared to the average Barbie as far as body shape. So I thought it would be fun to show how to make clothes for a doll with a different body style. So, like I said, oh, look at that, you got to cut both sides. See, I don't unbox them very often. It's funny, some Barbies in these boxes are stuck in there like, oh my goodness, they're so wrapped tight and it takes 10 minutes to get them out. And the other day I opened that Ken and I thought it was going to be like that. And I just opened the box and he was loose. So you never know. Anyway, this is the Barbie Fashionista 128. Isn't she cute? She's got that funky hairstyle that I actually really think is kind of cute. Not for me, but she has those little shorts. They're very cute. They Velcro on and off. She's thicker through the waist, flatter through the chest, and she is in flat shoes. Not my favorite, but I buy these shoes on eBay, and they come in a pack, like, I don't know how many's in there, 10, maybe more. And then I took fingernail polish, I've showed this before, and painted them, and I've done all kinds of colors. Anyway, I was gonna see if this fits her foot, you know me and the shoes. I guess it does. Not great, but yeah, it's all right. So that gives her a choice of 2 shoes. It's kind of clunky on her foot, whereas the yellow ones are not. But I thought she was a cute doll, and I thought I'd share the opening unboxing of this Fashionista. Thanks for visiting our channel. Please leave a like and please subscribe. Thanks so much for all the comments you leave. I really appreciate it.